Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share about my project that is an URL shortener, and I know it is not properly visible to you, so I will explain it directly. My project URL shortener is built on React for frontend, and for backend I have used Node.js and Express Server. The function of this project is it take a long URL, then make it short, and then give the redirection on clicking that short URL. How actually it works: when a user signs in, there is a middleware token that will help to check the authentication of the user. And while the user sign if its username and password with a unique ID salt will add it to the user's password and then store in DB. So in case of any leakage or DB threat, the user's password will never exposed via plain text, so it will be helpful for user and their data security. And I have used HMAC HMSC SHA256 for for this protection. There are bcrypt library that is better option for this authentication because it trade off a little with time, but it reduce the chances of brute force attack when user can try multiple millions of things in a 1 second. But what I have used is this HMAC H6 uh, SH8256 because I want to learn about that built-in library bcrypt, so it will add a salt to the password and then it convert to the URL. And for the shorten URL I am using a UUID, that is a nano ID of unique letter of 6. And what it does, it if we use base 64, that is a counter base thing, so there are chances of data leakage because everyone know counting, so they can roughly guess how much users have created room, so they can directly put one and get access to the one room. And for right now there is no authentication other than this uniqueness of the room ID. That's why I didn't use base 62 here. And in future aspect, what we can do is we can add expiry date for a long users URL. And for now I am also I am giving a custom URL thing to a user, but if the scale increase, then it should be a premium option because otherwise this will hard to handle. And for hard to handle, I think that's why it will become premium with time. And right now I have deployed my project on Vercel and Render, and my databases are on Neon. And there are I have used PostgreSQL as my database, and there are two tables: user ID and their password, and another is shorten URL to with link with the longer URL, and both are connected with a primary key user ID and here a foreign key user ID. And I have used Postgres because it are relational. We can use MongoDB that has no SQL database, and we can also use MySQL, but Postgres is more reliable. That's why I have used it.